but still I say no. Because the train is slowing down and my heart's speeding up. I look through the window to see if you show up. Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang. Ooh, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang. Ooh, I get out and I look around for a moment. There is no sound, he's nowhere to be found. But then he shows up, he was hiding behind a tree. To me, everything is slowing down, down, down. He runs up to me, and I run up to him. The train starts to move, and so our story begins. Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang. Ooh, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang, Kedang Kedang. Ooh, I stay the night in your house by the tracks, and the rhythm, ooh la la, keeps on going.